Okay, so our sauce is ready, and this is just a basic sauce, the regular stew or sauce you use to eat your rice. And this one way you can enjoy your red kidney beans. I've added some local rice here, and then the kidney beans. It's been salted just a little bit, and it really tastes nice, like tastes really nice, and I love it. And I would like you to try it. And one thing you can notice with this is that the red kidney beans is much compared to the white rice. So this can help you maintain your sugar level, whether for someone who is diabetic or you're just working on your hormones. Because truth is, your hormones, your female hormones and your insulin have direct relationships, so you need to always watch how much carbohydrates you get into your system. Red kidney beans being a complete plant protein is just an awesome combination, and this is a very exciting way to enjoy it. No dull moments.